Hello, crafters and collectors. I'm Marna. I found a really fun thing this morning at Walmart and I wanted to share. It's a little, call it a review, call it a unboxing. She's really cute. She came like this and I got her on clearance. I always check the clearance for crafting and because I send out those packets to my beginner crafters. Anyway, she's really cute. Her arms are still tight. She had no packaging other than this. I know that this is the Campfire Barbie. She had a little battery operated campfire and some other stuff, but she came with her little flashlight and her little hat, her little hiking hat and shoes. Actually, really cute little hiking boots. The shoes alone were worth what I paid for her. Always check those Walmart aisles. This is just a really cute doll, and because we hike and cycle, I can do a lot of little scenes with her. She's gonna need a dog with a backpack. What did I pay? Oh, ho, 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 ho. $1. No, right here, $1. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.